Hello, the purpose of this video tutorial is to give you more information about the audio store in the Parrot Manager portal. To access the audio store, go to the main menu, select Admin, then scroll down and select Audio Store. Here, all of the audio files can be stored in one central location in the audio store. You can upload audio files for IVR or call menus, music on hold, agent voicemails, voicemail drops, or after-hours messages. We recommend uploading only PCM 16-bit 8 kHz WAV files or GSM 8-bit 8 kHz mono files. Most recording software should give you the option to create this type of format. However, tech support can also convert audio files if needed. To upload an audio file, you would select Choose File, and then choose your file from your computer. Then click on the green button Submit, and you will know that you have successfully uploaded your file because you will see this message at the top that says Success along with the audio file name. If you click on the audio file list, you can see that the file was uploaded and play it back if you'd like. Once you have your file uploaded, you need to go to the correct section in the Manager portal, depending on whether you want to select your audio for a call menu, music on hold, agent voicemail, or an after-hours message, or a pre-recorded message. And you can find out how to do any of those things in separate videos. This link at the bottom that says click here to see a log of the uploads in the audio store. We'll show you all the files that have been uploaded along with their date and time, the user that uploaded it, and the file name. To delete a file, you would select the audio file from the audio file list, select the file name by clicking on it, and then it will generate in this blank field, and then click on the green Submit button to delete the file. And that's how you add and delete files in the audio store.